Sanibona bakithi, mina ngiwaseshowe kamuntu. Uyazi bengithi ngiyathula, kwangathuleka. Kuhle ngoba lento ngizoyiposta epagini lami. Ngoba ngiyibona epagini lomuntu, ngiphendula umuntu. Nakhona futhi ngikhonjiswa ngenxa yokuthi kuyabonakala ukuthi lento ekhulunywayo iqondene nami ngoba phela
Actress Thandeka Dawn finally breaks her silence after she was seen with the 31-year-old lady with a rare skin condition. Now she was seen, of course, lotioning that lady's face with a particular oil, you guys, and people are saying that she is the owner of that oil. And they have kind of accused her of just coming forward to market her product and not helping that lady intentionally. So she decided to go to her social media pages to clap back and basically address trolls and haters regarding her motive in doing so, in helping the 31-year-old lady, you guys. And I'm just gonna go ahead and insert a video of her detailing everything. Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video, do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. So the 31-year-old lady apparently has a very rare skin condition which rapidly ages her. Now, there were misinformation on social media that she had slept with a certain foreign man who then did some African voodoo on her. Later, it turned out the story is completely a hoax. You guys, and the lady herself had to clarify, telling people that she was so surprised hearing people's, making their stories about her. Please check out Thandeka Dawn.
Sanibona bakithi, mina ngiwaseshowe kamuntu. Uyazi bengithi ngiyathula, kwangathuleka. Kuhle ngoba lento ngizoyiposta epagini lami. Ngoba ngiyibona epagini lomuntu, ngiphendula umuntu. Nakhona futhi ngikhonjiswa ngenxa yokuthi kuyabonakala ukuthi lento ekhulunywayo iqondene nami ngoba phela imina umuntu ofike wagcoba umuntu ngo-oil owaziwa yithini ukuthi yini, kodwa ukuthi u-fish oil angazi, ngikuzwe namhlanje u-fish oil. Ngingeke futhi ngisho ukuthi u-oil onjani. Kuyaye kube kuhle ukuthi umuntu mayedinga ukusiza, mayefisa ukusiza asize ngendlela yakhe, asize nje ngaleyo ndlela afuna ukusiza ngayo. Ebese ngabagxeki abanye abafike basiza ngendlela bebesiza ngayo. Kuyaye kube kuhle futhi ukuthi ube khona endaweni ngesikhathi kwenzeka isigameko, ngoba esigamekweni uzofika ubone ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Kubi ukuthi ule la ukhona ebese ufika la uzokhuluma inoma yini. Kulungile-ke ngimgcobe nge-fish oil. Ngimgcobile-ke usisi uSne wakwaNhlapho ohlala eMtuba, kuthiwa simgcobe nge-fish oil. I-fish oil ehambelana nama-herbs asendalo enhle, Herbs and Beyond. Ama-herbs afike alungisa umuntu ngaphakathi. Le kuthiwa i-fish oil bisifika yona nje iyaqedelela ekutheni isikhumba somuntu sibe healthy. Bekukuningi obekuhambelana nale ebekuthiwa i-fish oil okungabonwanga abantu ngoba bebengekho. Isikhathi esiningi ngingathanda ukukhuluma ngoba ukukhuluma ukukhandela ukukhuluma, kodwa angifuni umuntu ogudla iguma. Khuluma nami ufuna ukukhuluma nami, ungaligudla iguma. Ngiyamcela-ke lowo omthandayo wena othe mina ngilapha abantu nge-fish oil. Abanye bathi ngeke ngilingene izulu, abanye basho lokhu abakushoyo, abanye bayasho. Ngicela nimlethe-ke lo enifuna ogula ngakini eduze kwenu, nimlethe nimgade masimelapha nendalo enhle Herbs and Beyond. Nimgade nesinike lo minimum 3 months esithi awusinike wona mangabe silapha umuntu. ngisinike wona ngoba akaze kusho thina ukuthi sewuyabonakala umehluko. Uma abantu bewubona umehluko kusho ukuthi abantu amehlo abo ane peace, amehlo abo ane positive energy, bayayibona into ezama ukwenzelwa uSne. Ngicela ke nimlethe lo gulayo otholwe nini, hayi uSne, lethani ogula ngakini simlaphe, mletheni.
Kuphela manje phuza imithi one uforce uzwa ukuthi kunzima uphuza ngaphandle zama ngithi yabona wona yesu kuzoba nzima ngeke kube lula ngoba thina sikhipha iva ngelinye iva ngithi uyayibona inkinga indaba ileyo phela kithi ukuthi thina sikhipha iva ngelinye iva manje kuzoba buhlungu bese aba right ngithi uyayibona indaba ayithi ubonela nje ngale khathi sifika ukuthi bethe ukuba phala kodwa waphuza imithi eseCPR wavuka
kathi ngempuzisa lo wathi kuvuka sifika nifika nje ubona lo
uphuzele yangeke
wathi
wasiyavuka
wathi uzihlungu zaphela saqhubeka nohlelo
Uyayibona ukuthi
yonke nje sibuka